Hi, I'm Geraldine Levison. I'm a commercial property solicitor at Ison Harrison, and I've been a commercial property solicitor for 15 years. If you've owned a property for 2 years or more, then you'll be eligible for an extension. Alternatively, the landlord could waiver that if you negotiate direct. There's also one other way. If you've recently bought a property and the person you bought it from has already started proceedings to extend the lease, then that could be passed on to you. The lease can be a hefty document, but usually within the first few pages, it will specify the lease term and the start date. It's quite important to consider an extension at the earliest possible time. The longer you leave it, the more you'll have to pay to extend that lease. If a lease gets down to between sort of 70, 80, 85 years, then it becomes very difficult to sell it on because lenders won't lend with that shorter term on the lease. So the earlier you can think about it, the better and the cheaper it will be. Even if you rent out your flat, provided you are the registered proprietor, you are eligible to extend your lease. The procedure can run in two ways. You can serve a statutory notice on the landlord telling them that you wish to extend the lease, and that will start a certain procedure of notices and counter notices. Alternatively, you could just approach the landlord direct if you are familiar with them and ask them what the procedure is, whether you can go and extend the lease without recourse to statutory notices. It's quite difficult to say what the premium would be because it depends on the value of the property and how long is left on the lease. As a rule of thumb, the longer left on the lease, the smaller the premium will be. If the landlord and tenant really can't agree on the premium, they can instruct independent surveyors who will try and negotiate on your behalf. As a very last resort, a tribunal will decide how much the premium should be. If you require any further information on anything I've discussed today, please give me a ring on 0113 200 74444.